Eric from Texas City has a question about roof decking.
It's a 1x8 shiplap roof, Tom, with composite shingles. So what we're talking about here. Eric writes to us. He says the shingles were replaced after Ike back in '08. Remember those good old days? And there was no new decking at the time. And the lack of the new decking, he seems to have caused some leaks. I have talked to two roofers, each with differing opinions. One says overlay with half-inch decking and reshingle. The other says, according to code, he has to remove the shiplap and redeck and shingle. And he says the TWIA, Texas Windstorm
TWIA, as all the commercials after
called?
Ike was TWIA. That's what they kept saying. Texas Windstorm Insurance Agency.
That's the one. They said they're not real clear on what to do here. Anyway, so Tom, Eric wants to know which is correct.
Okay, first off, when you deal with TWIA and their codes, it comes from a licensed engineer, not from the Texas Windstorm people. They set the rules. The engineer has to certify it because they don't want any responsibility. Yes. So they'll say, okay, if he's a licensed windstorm engineer and he says it's okay, it's okay. So here's what you got to remember when it comes to roofs in the on counties that are touch the ocean.
Well, he's in Texas City. He's touching the Gulf.
Exactly. Yeah. You deal with a roofer who can handle this, like Ideal Roofing. Mm-hmm. They have their engineers. They'll get it certified. Quite frankly, there's no code telling you put plywood over top of it. That doesn't make sense. And there's certainly no code if it's a 1x8 decking that you would have to tear it off. You just need to make sure it's secured properly. They'll take a look at the mechanical fasteners. They'll go ahead and say yay or nay, but it comes from the roofing company because they're the one that's going to have to certify the roof. So I can't tell you what to do. Charlie would like to tell you what to do, but we can't.
I would tell you to call Ideal.
Yeah, go cheap.
No, not on your roof. I'll tell you, there are places I'll cut corners, but I'll tell you, your roof, good night. That is the most important thing.
And technology. He will not cut corners.
No,
That's all there is to it. His phone can take you to the moon. Anyway, just get a good roofer. Ideal Roofing would be a good one.
We'll fly you to the moon.
Yes.
Okay, we'll answer your questions. What we'll do, you send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them just like that, or these videos over here. Subscribe, and we'll tell you when there are new ones.